What's going on, guys? I got some more parts today. Wanted to show you what I got. Came in from Power Driven Diesel. I've decided that they are the Cummins aftermarket parts supplier that I'm going to stick with. I watched a lot of their videos. Guys are friendly on the phone, seem to know what they're doing. Not been impressed with the videos that some other companies have put out. So these guys are a small shop, and I'm going to support the little guy. So let me show you what I got. And yes, I've already opened it and been through it. I got four billet freeze plugs. The normal ones that everybody changes, you know, the 3 on the side here. I'm going to keep my block heater, and the one on the back for the bypass, coolant bypass, so I don't blow a freeze plug out. So I got those. Those are, well, let's see what it ended up costing me. All 4 of those, $155. Okay, so you see the prices there. Not bad. They did not charge me shipping on those because I ordered this all at the same time, and I did it over the phone, and I was sent an email invoice, and when I looked at it like 20 minutes later, the freeze plugs weren't on the invoice. So I called them right back, and they threw it on there, but I guess they'd already had the rest of it packaged, so it shipped separately. They didn't charge me shipping. Real cool of them. Anyway, here's the other part. I got an injector installation kit, a Budget Builder 3 and 4K governor spring set, and a magnetic degree wheel. And the is there a total price on that? Okay. Whatever. I think it was like $260 shipped. So, there's a governor spring kit. Now, from what I've seen, they say, and by the way, it did come with instructions for installing it. I mean, nice instructions. They've even got pictures and like cool stuff. So, very impressed with that. I like that. Well done, guys. These were, I think these were $120 or something like that. Reasonable. And I guess if you want 4K, you put all the springs in. If you want 3K, you only put 2 of the springs in or some shit like that. Anyway, it's on the instructions. So I got an injector installation kit. This was $26. And I got this because I have pulled my return line off, and I wanted to replace the copper washers and stuff. And I may change out the injectors. I have another, what I was told was a used set of injectors, but they look brand new to me. So I may swap them out. I'm going to see how it runs first. Anyway. And the last thing I got was their magnetic degree wheel, and I think they have a patent on this. If they don't, my mistake, but it's a great idea. And let me show you what it is. I mean, well, magnetic degree wheel, it's fairly self-explanatory, but so that's it. This goes on your harmonic balancer, and you bolt a piece of wire or something to one of your cover bolts and line up the degree where you've got it, the pump timed at, the pin time, and the flag time. You'll do a little research, figure out what that means if you don't already know. Then you pull your pins out so it'll rotate freely. Got your gear loosened, which it is now. See, I don't have this tightened up. This gear will move on here. So, with your harmonic balancer on and all, and that free, you put your degree wheel on here, set it to your pointer that you've bolted on, and like this is at 11.5 degrees pump timing. So I'm shooting for 16.5 degrees, so I would go back 5 degrees on the degree wheel with the crank while that stays still. Okay, so what I would probably do is slap this on here and set my pointer at 11.5 degrees, and then just rotate the balancer backwards, retard the motor to advance injection timing until I'm at 16.5, and then lock the pump gear down. So this was 35 bucks, and it saves you from having to do like spill port timing and all that other shit if you're sure your motor hasn't been messed with already. Well worth the investment. You can also buy it with a pump gear puller, and it's their timing set, so it's just like it's just a piece of bar stock with a live screw and 2 other bolts that go into that, so you can pull your access cover off and loosen your nut up and put the puller on there and pop the gear loose, and then change your timing and tighten it back up. It's a really convenient kit, but I already have a puller, so I didn't need the kit. I just bought the wheel. And when you're done with it, you just throw it on the side of your toolbox and you won't lose it. So they sent me stickers. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna put this on the Deuce, but I might put it on one of the Dodges. Well, hell, I got 2 stickers. I got this little one and I got the big one. So I got one for both Dodges. Cool. All right, guys, I want to show you that. Check out Power Driven Diesel. If you haven't heard of them, they're really worth checking out. If you've got a Cummins or anything like that, they specialize in Cummins, of course. But they're real cool guys. They'll take the time to answer any questions you have, you know, and guide you in the right direction if you need it. So they also have a YouTube channel. They got a lot of good videos on there. Yeah, that's where I found them. So take a look at that. If you need anything, that's definitely the way to go. Their prices are great too. So hey guys, Todd and Will, all you guys over at Power Driven, if you see this video, I really appreciate everything. You guys rock, and thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.